Hey friends, if Microsoft Word is not responding, starting or opening in on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. I will close Microsoft Word before anything else so that I can show you what the resolution is. Okay. This one solution will fix the problem in 99.9% of the cases. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command winword space forward slash save and hit enter. This will open Microsoft Word in the safe mode, and in the safe mode no add-ins will be enabled. After this, click on file, and then select options, and then go to add-ins, and then make sure that it's selected at com add-ins. Go select go, and if any add-ins are available, okay, simply remove them, close it, close it, and then search for word again, open it, and it will work 100%. Okay, it will work 100%. Don't go for any other solution. This is the only solution that should work. If not, then repairing Microsoft Office and reinstalling it, that is an overkill, and I don't think that it is necessitated here. But this is the main solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.